Revenue is one of the most important metrics used to assess an entity's financial performance and position. As such, getting it right is pretty darn important. But how and when do you recognize revenue? Luckily, the ISB has provided guidance within IFRS 15, Revenue from Contracts with Customers. The core principle of this guidance is that an entity should recognize revenue to depict the transfer of promised goods or services to customers in an amount that reflects the consideration to which the entity expects to be entitled in exchange for those goods or services. To achieve this core principle, the IASB has provided a 5-step model that applies to all contracts with customers. That's right, one model for all industries. Need help getting up to speed with this guidance? Well, you're in luck. Gap Dynamics has produced this e-learning course to help you better understand how to account for revenue from contracts with customers under IFRS.